Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how I am modeling and texturing this product. Okay, let's start. Go to the front view, press A, X, delete everything, press Shift A, let's reference. Go to the top view, move it back over here, change the opacity, 0.5. Go to the right view, press Shift A, add a reference. This one. Over here, just the opacity, 0.5. Press Shift A, mesh, add a cube, tap to the edit mode, press Alt Z to extrude view. Select this bottom edge, press G, Z, move it down over here, and select the top, G, Z over here, and this one, GX. Over here like this, and this one, this edge, GZ like this, and over here, move here, go to the right view, press SY to scale it on the Y axis like this. Okay, we need to adjust this one. Okay, now go to the object mode. Press Shift D to duplicate this object. Press Alt Z to extrude view. Press GX, move it over here, just like this, and tap to the edit mode. Select this vertex, GZ, move it down over here, and this one too, just like that. And tap to the object mode. Select this object. Select this object. Tap to the edit mode, select this 2H, go to the top view, press Ctrl V to bevel it, press the segment, just like this, change the segment like 30. Okay, on this object, press S, Y to scale it on the Y axis, click this object, add a boolean modifier, select this cube, apply the boolean modifier, and just delete this one. Now we have something like this. Next, select this object, tap to the edit mode, press Alt and click on this edge, and do the same at the bottom. Unselect this edge, unselect this edge, press Ctrl V to bevel it, just make it one segment, bevel it like this, here. Go to the vertex mode by pressing 1, select this edge, press G, X, move it right here, press Alt, select this edge, and here too, press Ctrl V to bevel it, press the segment, like this. Okay, go back to the object mode, press Shift A, add another cube, move it over here, press Alt C to extrude view, scale this down, move it here, and tap to the edit mode. Select this vertex, move it down on the Z axis, this one too, and over here, press G, X, move it on the X axis, like this. Here, and GX like this. We're gonna do a boolean modifier again. Select this object, add a modifier, boolean modifier, select this cube, apply the boolean modifier, hide this cube. Now let's select this object, tap to the edit mode, go to the edge mode, select this edge without this edge, and do the same over here without this edge, and over here, and select this edge and unselect this edge, Ctrl V to bevel it, only 2 segments like this. Okay, Press Alt and select this edge, over here, here, and here. Press Ctrl B to bevel it, increase the segment, just like this. Next, press Shift A, mesh, add a cube, move it over here, tap to the edit mode, GZ, move it here, and at the bottom, GZ, move it here, over here, GX, here, over here, GX, over here, and go to the right view, press SY, press A to select everything, press SY, move it here, okay, and select this edge, bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this, and go to the vertex mode, select this edge, press G to join the geometry, press G, and next select this edge, Ctrl B to bevel it, press the segment, just like this, and make it 13, go to the right view, face mode, select this face, Alt Z, press S, Y to scale this down, like this. Next, go to the edge mode, select sharp edge, and select this too, I guess. Ctrl B, bevel it, just a little bit, just use 8 segment, shade out a smooth, tap to the edit mode, K and C, click over here, move way up here, and hit the spacebar, press K again and C, click over here, go down over here, click here and move way over here, and spacebar. Go to the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, select this face, press P, selection, tap to the object mode. We have this object, tap to the edit mode, press Alt Z to extract view, press Alt and click this edge, press F to fill, select this edge, press F and F, and select this edge again at the bottom, press F to fill them, and select this edge without this one, and this edge without this, press Ctrl B to bevel it, just like this. Okay, let's fix something. Select this object, press S, Y, skeleton on the Y axis, like this, and over here, select this object, press S, Z, skeleton on the Z axis. Okay, next, select this object, tap to the edit mode, go to the face mode, select this face, hold Control, select this face, and this face again, press P, selection, so it will separate the object, and select this object, tap to the edit mode. We need to separate more, just select this face, press P, selection, okay, select this object, tap to the edit mode, press A to select everything, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, and just a little bit over here, okay, and over here we need to do something like this. Select this object, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut over here again, press Ctrl B to bevel it, just make it to segment, just like this. To the face mode, select this face, and this face, just select them like this and like this. Here we need to select all of this face, press P to separate them, selection, tap to the edit mode, tap, go to the object mode, over here, it's separate already. And go over here, press slash on your keyboard, tap to the edit mode, select this face, you select it, and we need to fill this. Just select this edge, just select this edge, press F to fill, press F again. Okay, just select this edge, press Ctrl B, bevel it, increase the segment, just like this. Press A to select everything, press M, and merge by distance. Press slash again. We need to do the same thing over here. Tap to the edit mode, press slash, just fill this one, just fill the hole, press F. Okay, press slash again, press Shift A, mesh, add a cylinder, press RX, rotate it to 90 degrees, scale this down like this, move it over here, scale this down again, go to the right view, move this on the y-axis like this. Okay, move it over here, tap to the edit mode, Z to extrude view, select this edge, press S to scale down, shade out smooth, select this object, add a boolean modifier, and select the cylinder, select this object, add a mirror modifier, turn down the x-axis, click over here, mirror object, select this cube, turn on the x-axis, select this y-axis and z-axis, just like that, and press H to hide them. Okay, press GY, maybe insert it a little bit, hide. Okay, just apply the modifier. Let's do over here, on hide our cylinder, select our cylinder and turn this off, the cube, press Alt Z to extrude view, move it over here, and mirror object, select this cube, y-axis and z-axis, select this object, right click, set origin to geometry. Okay, it's perfect. Now add a boolean modifier, select the cylinder, we need to move the cylinder inside, GY, just like this, just hide it, just apply the boolean modifier. Let's add a button over here, press Shift A, add a plane, press L to rotate and Y, 90 degrees to rotate it on the Y axis, press GX, over here, scale it this down, scale it, just like this, go to the right view, press Alt Z, scale on the Y axis, over here, and it's in the middle, tap to the edit mode, press Alt Z to extrude view, move this up, press Ctrl R to add a lift cut over here, S, Y to scale it down over here, just like this, select this edge, press F to fill them, select this edge and F again, select this edge, go to the front view, press G, X, move it on the X axis, just like this, and select this edge, press E to extrude, X, extrude on the X axis, and G, X, adjust it like this. Now do the bottom part, press Shift A, add a cube, move down, scale this down, over here, scale it, like this, go to the right view, go over here, press SX, press SY, to scale it on the Y axis, press Ctrl A, apply the scale, tap to the edit mode, select this edge, Ctrl V to bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this, Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Press G, move it on the X-axis, just like this. It looks too big to me. Select this edge. X-axis, just like this. Move it inside. Select this edge. X-axis. Okay. It looks good to me. I guess we are done with the bottom part. Just select everything. Press M, make a new collection. Name it body. Press Shift A, mesh, add a circle. G, Z, move it up here. Adjust your image reference by click it, and G, X, move it in the middle like this. We need another reference. Just open a window over here, change it to UV image editor, find your image reference, expand this bottom, this reference. Okay, I think that's enough. Back over here, move it up here, scale it down. Ctrl A, apply scale, tap to the edit mode, press E, Z, extrude it down like this. Scale it down without the Z axis. Move it up a little bit, just like this. Press E to extrude, S, and scale it inside. Press E again, Z, move it down here, press hold Ctrl, snap this vertex, select this edge, press Ctrl B, bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this. Move it down just a little bit, and select this edge, press F to fill, hold F and fill everything. Select this edge, Alt C, Ctrl B to bevel it, press the segment. Okay, select sharp edge, just bevel a little bit, shade out smooth. Just select this edge, press Shift B to duplicate it, press P to separate them, selection, select this circle, tap to the edit mode, press A to select everything, press E to extrude, S to scale it up a little bit, and press E again, Z, move it way down here, scale it up like this. Press E to extrude it on the Z axis, just like this. Press E again to extrude inside, just like this. Shade out smooth. Select this edge, bevel it. Okay, now select this edge, Shift B to duplicate it, P separate it. Select the circle, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, scale this down a little bit, press E to extrude. Over here, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut, press Ctrl B to bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this. Yeah, press Alt E to extrude face along normal, extrude it outside, just a little bit like this. Now, select sharp edge, Ctrl B, bevel it, shade smooth. Press Shift A, mesh, add a circle, move it way up here. Yep, tap to the edit mode, scale this down, just like this. Press EZ, move it way down here, press Ctrl R, click, and Ctrl B to bevel it, just like this. Press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it outside like this, and go to edge mode, select this edge, and at the bottom, press Ctrl B to bevel it, like this. Shade out smooth, and a modifier, solidify, just the thickness inside, just like this. Okay, select this edge, Shift D to duplicate it, P to separate this object, select this circle, tap to the edit mode, press EZ, just a little bit like this, and extrude it again down here. Press Ctrl R, add a new loop cut here, scale this up like this, and press E again, Z to extrude it down here. Press less and select this edge, press E, S, extrude, press E again, Z, extrude it way down here, press Alt G Control, and click this vertex, select this edge, press F, and fill everything. Select sharp edge, Ctrl B, bevel it, shade out smooth, scale this up a little bit without the Z axis, just like this. Okay, we need to do something inside. Just hide this first. Press Shift A, mesh add a circle, move it way up here, scale it down, tap to the edit mode, scale it down, just like this. Press E, Z, move it down, need to scale it again, scale it without the Z axis, just like this. Select this edge, press E, Z, move it here, scale this up, extrude it again down here, just like this, and select this edge, press E to extrude, S to scale it inside, press E again, extrude it on the Z axis, hold Control, select this edge, and select this edge, and this edge, yeah, press F to fill, and hold F to fill everything, yep, select sharp edge, Control B to bevel, shade out smooth, press Ctrl R. We need a lot of loop cut over here, just like this. Tap to the object mode. We need to cut a hole on the right view. Press Shift A, mesh, add a cube, scale this cube, scale on the Z axis, scale on the X axis. Tap to go to the right view, scale it on the Y axis, scale it on the Z axis again. Move it down. Ctrl A, apply the scale. Tap to the edit mode, select this edge. Okay, just Ctrl B to bevel it, like this. Go to the object mode, shade out smooth, select this object, add a modifier, boolean modifier, and select this cube, apply this boolean modifier, just delete this cube. Okay, it's a clean cut. You need to create something like this, and change this to the 3D cursor. Tap to the edit mode, press A, Alt Z, rotate it like this, Shift D to duplicate it, and rotate it again, over here, Shift D again, rotate it again, like this, Shift D, rotate it again, just like this. Now tap to the object mode, and add a boolean modifier, select this cube, hide this cube, we need to apply the modifier, and fix this one by one. I will skip forward this. Go over here, just press less, and go to the left view, tap to the edit mode, press Ctrl Alt, add a loop cut, like this, select his face. After you selecting all of this, press E to insert, like this, right click, loop tools, make it a circle. If you don't have this option, just go to the edit, preference, just type loop tools over here, check this loop tool, insert your preference, insert again, press X, delete the face, and select this edge, go to select by similar, come on face around the edge, so it will select all of them. As to scale them down, make it more smaller, like this, press E to extrude on the X-axis, just like this, add superposition modifier, select, sharp edge, Ctrl B, bevel it just a little bit, and tap to the edit mode, go to the top view, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, let's make cut over here at the middle, split here, press C, cut in on the X-axis like this, press spacebar, and select all this vertex, delete the vertex, add a mirror modifier, move this up, clipping, okay, don't forget to save your project, press CA, curve, add a circle, press RX, rotate it 90 degrees, scale this down, move it over here, to the left view, scale it, move it here, yeah, scale it down, and this circle, go here, object data property, and change the dip, like this, add a modifier, array modifier, y-axis, make this one 0, because -1, like this, press the number, okay, now add a mirror modifier, mirror it on a y-axis. Let's go to the material. This is my setup for the texturing. I'm using cycle render and people transform. I'm using filmic and high contrast. On this window, change it to the render view, uncheck this too, and disable this. Click over here, new material, go to the edit, preference, add-ons, type node triangle, check this node triangle, set the preference, and we need to download the texture. You click pixel. After you're watching, just go to home, surface, spawn metal, and bare metal. I'm using Bruce Aluminium. Just sign in and download it. After you download it, just extract them like this. Now you'll have the metal texture, and we need another texture fabric later. I'm using this one. Just download it, and it's extracted. Now we have a fabric. Okay. After you download all of them, just go over here, then select this depth, press Shift Ctrl T, and find your metal texture. Select 4 of this, and that's it. That's a very simple trick. And let's do it over here. It's new, and click your pencil with div, press Shift Ctrl T, and find your layer material. Select the roughness. Albedo, select 4 of this, apply, and we have something like this. You need to scale this up, maybe 3, yeah, just like that. Name this material like metal 1, or this material, change it to metal 1, click your new material, and the name metal 2. Press CA, add a mix color over here, and change this color, like this, and for this one, just new material, delete your pencil bit, press CA, search for glass BSDF, don't like it, just like that. And over here, just use metal 1, click new material, press CA, search for saturation value over here, and turn down the value like this. Select all of this object, make sure you select this one at last. Hold Ctrl L. Next, over here, use new material, change the color like this, increase the roundness, and that's it. Over here, for this object, just use the same metal, like metal 1, this one too, metal 1, click this object, new, just make it black, and turn down the roundness, it's a little bit shiny, like this. On the bottom, new material, increase the metallic, turn down the roundness, just like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.